if we have 30 people come through in a day for a vaccine, there might be 10 or 15 children. We saw a few more children coming through. I mean, obviously the under 5, since that was new, we saw an uptick, but it wasn't overwhelming. What we're seeing is BA4 and 5 is definitely more contagious, and it seems to evade immunity, whether you've had COVID before or you've been vaccinated. It seems to be more capable of evading immunity. And like I said, that's why we're seeing, I think, the cases stay up, hospitalizations going up. I think that's why you're hearing the discussions in the fall, making sure that we have a booster that is fits the Omicron, sort of related to Omicron with this BA4 or 5. These variants, it looks like that could come out in probably October. Now, what we're seeing is nothing like we saw in Omicron, and really nothing, not at the Delta level. Who knows, maybe in the fall or the winter, that might be necessary to have masks, but I think it's still too early to say, and it's really hard to say that there's a magic number, because I think you're looking at so many things, like, we know that the time of year, cold winter time, more viruses, it's easier to spread. We know, whether it's, whether kids are in school or around holidays. There's so many other factors, so it's hard to say what that number will be and what. But hopefully we won't get there because I think we're all, and we're able to thankfully do more things now. But I will say that you're hearing people just anecdotally talk about more people getting COVID. So it's still out there, no doubt. Depending on your child's vaccination status, if they've never been vaccinated, that'd be a great time. The vaccine's available for children at preschool age, but also we're, basically anyone 6 months and older is eligible. And if you have been waiting, the vaccines have been around now for over 1.5 years for the population. So you see it's safe, it's effective. It'd be a good opportunity to get that protection as you get ready for back to school. So you go to get school supplies. Vaccine is a good another tool in your toolbox or your pencil box to protect your kids. I would say the same thing. The teachers that maybe are over 50 that want that extra protection, and faculty and staff in the schools. Now might be a good time to catch up and make sure you have that protection as you go into the fall.